Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update. Thanks for tuning back in. Alright guys, all the screws are out. Now you get to see if this skin is flimsy or not anymore. Oh, look at that. What do you think, guys? There's the new inner roof skin. Now we can prep it and install it. We now have a one-piece panel. There we go. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Next, we're going to prep this edges and the inside of the frame. We're going to get this skin mounted. There's the there she is. And there's the overlay structure. It's maintaining its shape beautifully. Now we gotta start cleaning this edge all the way around to bare. Then we gotta clean the whole inside of this bare all the way around. And then this is ready to permanently install. Stay tuned. You can see that it maintained its shape very well. You can see it maintained its shape very well.